Julianne, and today I'm going to be giving you a demonstration of the Bissell Featherweight vacuum cleaner on the hardwood floor in its upright and handheld position. So this vacuum cleaner is very small. It's also very small but very powerful. So it's super easy to store and whatnot, and it's super lightweight on your hands, making cleaning so much more enjoyable. It's got a very long cord that reaches super far, and it's also very durable. So it gives you a very long range around the house, which is amazing. You can use it in handheld and upright position, so very versatile. You can simply just unattach this attachment right here, the floor attachment, and then that's how you can use it in handheld with this thing. And you can use it on the roof or whatnot, or you can take this off and use it in handheld, maybe if you want to clean your car or whatever. Super easy, very versatile. And as you can see right here, I've got a little bit of a mess, and we're going to go ahead and turn on the vacuum cleaner and show you how very powerful it is even on hardwood floor. So boom, in an upright position first. So boom, you can see in one simple sweep, all of that stuff is picked up off of the surface. Now we're going to try it in the handheld position. So I'm gonna go ahead, put a little bit more dirt on the table. Boom, and now let's go ahead and take the attachment off and use it in its upright position. So, pulling this off. Boom, super easy to use. So you literally can also unattach this to make it even shorter. So to unattach this, you simply just flick this up right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off so you guys can see it. So boom, just like that, very easy to use. Turn it on one more time. It picks up all of that dust, and it's literally in its handheld position. So even upright or handheld, still so powerful. So this vacuum cleaner is very versatile and super easy to use and wonderful on all surfaces.